here today at the headquarters of the Acquario Romano, the local association of architects, Roma and Lazio region. We are organizing a workshop with our students of the spring semester 2024 to design an exhibition. The exhibition is called SustainabITALY, and it is an exhibition about sustainable buildings designed in Italy, certificated LEED, Gold and Platinum. This project has been financed by the Ministry of Culture and especially by the Directorate of Contemporary Creativity of the Italian Ministry of Culture. And it is co-financed by the local association of the architects Roma and Lazio region. Our students are designing the exhibition, the showcasing of this amazing exhibition, which is an itinerant project. What does it mean? When the exhibition will be designed, we will realize it physically in Rome, and we will inaugurate the exhibition here in the headquarters of the local Architect Association Rome and Lazio region. And after that, the exhibition will fly to the US.
I would say it's been a very exciting process to work with an architectural professional, because it's one thing to work with a professor who's sort of grading your project, but it's been really I'd say exciting to work with this. We have a very nice girl in our group who's been helping us.
So we're working right now for the last 2 weeks of our semester at the Arkansas Rome Center in Rome, Italy, on a wood exhibition project that's going to travel starting in Rome, and it's going to travel around to the States and other places. And so she's brought in another opinion. We've treated her as another, I guess, member of the group, and she's equally as excited and enthusiastic to win as we are. I'd say even more so. That we are to see our project go around the whole world, actually. And it's been another thing to sort of bounce ideas off of her, and to get an opinion that's a bit more informative, and she's sort of helped anchor the group in a sense. So yeah. We're really excited about it as students. Personally, this is my first exhibition to do, and I think it's going to be a great way to express the work that we are learning about sustainability, the certifications that go into creating these projects, and overall working as a team to create awesome designs.
It will go first of all to Fayetteville, Arkansas, at the School of Architecture Fay Jones. Then it will fly to New York at the headquarters of the Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. Then it will fly to the Thomas Jefferson University, Philadelphia. After that, the exhibition will fly to the American University, Dubai. What is the aim of this project is to diffuse as much as possible the best practices of Italian sustainable projects for places for culture. One more thing which is very interesting, they are designing this project together with 3 young Roman Italian architects, because at the Rome Center we're always trying to help the student fit the local culture as much as possible. We will choose only the best project, which, guess what, will be physically realized. So it is a great opportunity, and we hope this will be just the beginning of a series of other activities that will take place at the University of Arkansas Rome Center.